If 2025 is finally the year you go from renting to owning or from paying rent to collecting rent as a landlord, this video is for you. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Avi. I'm a real estate agent here from Santa Barbara, and for the past 7+ years, I've helped hundreds of people buy and sell real estate. I work with a lot of first-time buyers and first-time investors as well. People are looking to get their foot in the door in the game. And at the end of this video, you're gonna have some insider knowledge that's really gonna help you on your journey to going from renting to owning. So let's get into the video. Okay, this one is very relevant at this time. It's the end of January. We've seen so much happen just this month. Of course, the LA fires have really implicated everything, and it's the insurance costs of owning a home. I want you guys to really understand the wraparound insurance costs, whether it's a single family home, whether it's a condo, whether you're looking to go from a landlord insurance policy or a primary home user insurance policy. Understanding the insurance cost is so important. I'd say talk to an insurance broker even before you're writing offers if you can. Your realtor might have insurance recommendations for you. The lender oftentimes is partnered with insurance companies. Just doing some number understanding of if you're in a high risk zone, what that's going to look like, or if your condo has a really solid policy and that's part of the HOAs, your insurance might be less. Really something it's important to consider before being under contract. Number two, I want you guys to understand interest rate and how it's going to implicate your purchase. Did you know that you can do an upfront payment and buy down the interest rate temporarily for 2 to 3 years? Did you know that you can even ask for the seller to credit that buy down? Interest rates right now are high. They're floating around the high 6s and 7s. If you're looking for an investment property, it could be even higher if you're doing an investment loan. Really understanding what's that going to look like in terms of your monthly payment and how you can bring that down. I do believe at this time next year, we're going to see rates stabilize and be lower than they are currently, maybe into the mid-low 6s, potentially the high 5s. But we have to obviously look at the numbers and inflation and the amount of interest when it comes to people getting into a property. And that brings me to my next point. Here in Santa Barbara, in our market, we just saw a house this week get 25 offers. While it's not as competitive as it was in 2020, 2021, 2022, we're still seeing certain properties go bananas if they check the boxes, if they're priced competitively, and if they're marketed right. But there are some properties that are languishing, and you can search with your realtor, with your website tools, and look at the days on market. That's the number one indicator to let you know if there's going to be some potential wiggle room off the top, if you're going to be able to potentially get a credit back or ask for more when it comes to the escrow process than you would with a house that's just on the market, super hot, and getting multiple offers. Another thing to consider, this stat I found very interesting, and that's in 2024, across the board, about 24% of all homes sold before ever hitting the market. We're trading a lot of homes in our office just between the real estate agents as pocket listings. We're seeing certain landlords who are calling us saying, hey, I don't have a tenant in here, I don't want the home disturbed, but if you could bring me an offer directly, we would sell it, and we're putting people into homes that way. If you're only looking on Zillow, Redfin, the MLS, there's a good chance you're missing out on the inventory that's available. So it's really important to understand if you have a realtor that's doing the extra work, they're going to bring you off-market opportunities as well. My last point, this is for my landlord specifically, and this is California specific, but it's good to know anywhere else in case this does happen in your market. California has a law where in a state of emergency, like we're in post-fire, LA fire, that you cannot raise the rate of the rent, whether it's a short-term rental or long-term rental, more than 10% from what you were previously listed at. That's a price gouging law, and it can be penalized with huge fines and even jail time. I'm making sure to let all my landlords know there is no price gouging allowed here in the marketplace. You will get in big trouble. It is not worth it. I highly recommend understanding that if you're in an area that's been affected by a hurricane, by a landslide, by fires, you're not going to want to be the price gouging landlord that will get reported, turned in, potentially even face jail time. Understand the rights as both a landlord and as homeowner before you're listing your property out on any type of platform. Those are some quick tips that are very relevant to 2025. Like I said, I help a lot of people in the Santa Barbara marketplace. And if you need a real estate connection in another market, I just got back from an amazing networking event, 2,500 agents all over the country, even the world. My friends are in Hawaii, England, Spain, Portugal, even Australia, Israel. I have clients that are real estate agents who can help out my people all around the world. If you need a real estate connect, let me know. I'm here to help. Drop a comment, chat me directly. My number is right up on the banner. I'm always here to help if there's anything I can do. And as always, guys, make it a great day. I'll see you in the next video.